just good that I was able to get those cabinets up high. It's a good system for wall hung cabinets because it takes the weight and you can work on it, fix it together. Little filler pieces were fiddly. As you can see, I had to redo it because I messed up, but it's all good now. I'm pretty happy with that result. It's nice and tight. Got the doors on, that was really quick, and finally got the base. Got that base cabinet in at the bottom, which is going to have the sink mounted, undermount sink, stone bench top, black gooseneck. It's going to look really good. All right, see you guys. See you on the next one. Hey guys, just realised I've been neglecting the dog, and I've got to do more frisbee and exercise with him. He's a high needs dog, so